Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix pending download in Play Store. Why do you want to know how to fix pending download on Play Store? Well, maybe it's your first time and you don't know how to do it, right? So today I will show you how to fix pending download in Play Store easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. Right, so you can see that first of all, if I just go to the Play Store, you will face a lot of issues, right? So here, the main thing that you have to do, you have to make sure that there is a storage available in your phone to install any of the application from the Play Store. Now just go to the setting of your phone. Now here we will scroll a little bit down, go to the app section, go to the app management. Here we will type Play Store, right? And here you can see that you have to open the Play Store here. And first of all, first thing you have to do, you have to force stop, then go to the storage usage, then clear the cache. After clearing the cache, this may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear the data, right? And clearing the data will definitely fix your problem because this will delete and unload all the unnecessary file present on your phone. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix pending download in Play Store, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix pending download in Play Store, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.